Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in automotive luxury, the Mercedes Benz S-Class. This flagship sedan isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of status, innovation, and pure comfort. For decades, the S-Class has set the benchmark for what a luxury car should be, and the latest generation only raises that bar even higher. When you talk about the S-Class, you're talking about the pinnacle of engineering. Under the hood, you'll find a range of powerful yet refined engines, from the silky smooth inline-6 to the roaring V8. Each engine is designed to deliver effortless acceleration with whisper-quiet operation. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures grip and stability in all conditions, while the adaptive air suspension makes the ride feel like you're floating on a cloud. But the real magic of the S-Class is inside the cabin. Open the door, and you're greeted with a level of craftsmanship that's more akin to a luxury yacht than a car. Every surface is wrapped in fine leather, real wood, or polished metal. The seats don't just support you, they pamper you, with features like massage, heating, cooling, and even ambient scent distribution. The interior lighting alone is a masterpiece, offering a full spectrum of customizable colors to suit any mood. Technology is at the heart of the S-Class experience. The massive OLED touchscreen display flows into a digital instrument cluster, both powered by Mercedes Benz system. It learns your habits, understands natural voice commands, and can even be controlled with simple gestures. The augmented reality heads-up display projects navigation arrows directly onto the windshield, helping you stay focused on the road while feeling like you're piloting something from the future. Mercedes didn't forget about safety either. The S-Class comes packed with some of the most advanced driver assistance systems in the world. We're talking about adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and even a system that can prepare the car for an imminent collision, tightening seat belts, raising the suspension, and activating protective measures before impact. What truly sets the S-Class apart, though, is how seamlessly all of this comes together. It's not just about luxury features or powerful engines. It's about the feeling of effortless elegance, the sense that everything in this car was designed with your comfort and experience in mind. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured in the back, the S-Class delivers a journey unlike any other. That's it for today's deep dive into the Mercedes Benz S-Class, a true legend on wheels. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future rides. This is Rolling Legends, where the road meets luxury. See you next time.